We rolling. They see me rolling. They heading, patrolling, trying to catch me riding dirty.
This bike has 192 miles. It's a 2023 Honda Rebel. We just bought off of Facebook from Kyle. Thank you, Kyle. Thank you for taking such good care of her. I mean, you never rode her. You had her what for about a year and didn't ride her, but you took good care of her. Thank you. And my bike's name is Girlfriend because right now she is gonna be my best friend ever. Learning how to ride. All right, got my clutch in, brake in, going down first. I think I found the friction zone. When the bike starts to pull.
Why don't you do this? Try giving it a little throttle at the same time and then stop. Don't walk it all the way down. Just vroom, vroom.
With the clutch let out some.
Yeah, you're gonna give it a little throttle. You're gonna preload a little bit, and then in and out, so you get used to moving. Because that's how you're gonna take off every time. You ain't gonna walk it down the interstate, right?
What?
You ain't gonna walk it down the interstate, right?
We're not going on the interstate.
Or down the street. Pull it in. Now squeeze. Just like that. Learn to do that more quickly, more smoothly. Let's practice that. See, as soon as you pull the clutch in, the power goes away and it'll coast to a stop, right?
Yes.
Now pull it in.
What were you saying?
I was saying squeeze it. Pull it back in. So, yes, like that, only a little faster, a little smoother. Let's try and get to you're doing it just a little faster, just a little smoother. Okay? Just keep practicing that. Out and in. Is it more than you can do at once right yet?
Huh?
Is that more than you can do at once right yet?
What do you mean?
Or, I should have asked the question a different way. Are you comfortable doing that, figuring that out?
I mean, I'm just trying to figure out kind of where the friction zone is. I think maybe I'll do a trick that I saw on TV. I mean, on the internet, where he parked it up to the curb, so you can find the friction zone, so you don't go over the curb.
Right.
When you do that.
You want me to do that? Put it against the curb
let's
for you?
try it.
Put the kickstand down. Take it out of gear. Bike's pretty easy to get into neutral, isn't it?